Ang gaming chair na kayang tapatan ng Secret Labs? Review natin yan. So yun mga patatas, at welcome na naman sa isang panibagong video. What a huge shoutout to Muso. A huge thank you for sending us this chair. At if you want to check their website, you can check the description box down below. At syempre, wag na wag niyong kakalimutan mag-subscribe, like, at i-share itong video kung gusto niyo ng panibagong gaming chair. Okay, kung ikaw ay isang content creator, streamer, work from home type of person, or ikaw yung average guy na nagko-computer 8 hours a day tapos ayaw mo nang tumayo, this is the perfect chair for you. Sa video na to, sasabihin ko sa inyo, is it worth it to buy the Muso Throne Series computer gaming chair Giant 460A XL size? O diba ang haba tapos kabisado ko? Pero hindi ko na kaya ibobore with the assembly of the chair, but if you want to see yung pinaka-unboxing, andyan lang yan. Papakita ko na lang dyan sa may taas. Pero for the assembly, it took me about 40 to 50 minutes. My only issue was it was heavy for me. Ganun talaga siguro, no, kapag quality yung upuan. Pero yeah, overall, it was pretty easy to assemble. Pero ayun nga, sasabihin ko sa inyo sa video na to, is it worth it? How good is the quality? How does it feel? Yada, yada, yada. I would give the most honest review. Kaya tara, review na natin. Upon checking their website as of the time of recording, the chair costs 25,329, pero you can use the code 2024 to get 1,000 pesos off. Saka it can carry up to 180 kilograms and it's suitable for people with the height of 170 cm up to 210 cm. Pero ito personally, I am only 168 cm, so I'm around 5'6". Pero the chair still fits me perfectly and I love it. Pero I can't say it for everyone kasi personally, mas gusto ko talaga na mas malaki sa akin yung upuan kasi it makes me feel like I'm sitting on a throne. Kaya the chair is perfect kasi yun nga yung name niya, it's the Throne Series. At syempre, yung favorite feature ng lahat, yung reclining feature. It can recline from 90 degrees up to 160 degrees. So pwede ka matulog sa upuan na to. At sa pinakababa ng chair, sa left, meron siyang turn on at pag turn off ng rocking function. So, pwede mo siyang iuga-uga. Tapos sa kanan, yung pag-adjust ng seat height. Tapos yung armrest nila, merong 4D function. Pwede mo siya itaas-baba, kaliwa-kanan, pa-inward and outward, tapos forward and backward. Tapos ito, sobrang cute, the magnetic memory foam head pillow. So, hindi ka na maiinis pa adjust nung head pillow. Tapos, ito yung feature na meron din si Secret Labs na hindi magpapatalo si Muso, kaya meron na siya nito. Yung adjustable lumbar support na nasa loob ng upuan. 4-ways lumbar support with adjustable height and depth. So, pwede mo talaga siya i-customize up to your preference. Yung knob niya nasa left, tapos nasa right lang nung chair. Para sa akin, pinaka-importanting tanong, is it worth it? Unang sagot, oo. Kasi honestly, you're getting the price that you paid for. Sobrang quality naman kasi talaga nitong Muso Throne Series gaming chair. Unang upo ko pa lang sa upuan na to, napapansin ko na kagad yung quality. Hindi ka malulugi, hindi ka magsisisi. Sobrang worth it nito at sobrang quality talaga nitong Muso gaming chair. At talagang mararamdaman mo yung pagka-throne niya, tulad ng pangalan niya, Throne Series, it lives up to its name kasi para ka talagang nakaupo sa trono. And at the same time, being a streamer, content creator, and someone na talagang mahilig maglaro araw-araw, almost 8 to 10 hours a day, dito ako nag-edit, dito ako naglalaro, everything that I do on a daily basis dito sa computer. So kung meron kang budget at gusto mo talaga ng magandang upuan, I really suggest the Muso brand. Also, if you care about your back, you care about your posture, tapos gusto mong masarap pa rin yung upo mo kahit matagal kang nakaupo sa computer, you really need to buy a good chair. Also, in the long run, you will thank your past self for getting yourself a chair like this one. Oo, let's be honest, it might be a little pricey, pero at the same time, it will help you in the long run. Talagang investment siya. So, is it worth it? Yes, most definitely. And not only that, tulad nga ng sabi ko, hindi ka naman kasi talaga manghihinayang sa quality. And as a guy coming from an ergo chair, as a guy na marami nang ginamit na upuan, ergo chairs, office chairs, or gaming chairs in the past, ito talaga yung pinaka-quality na nasubukan ko. So, to conclude the video, sasagutin ulit natin ang ating tanong, is it worth it? Yes, 100%, 10 out of 10. And like I said, sa sarili ka naman mag-i-invest at araw-araw mo siyang gagamitin. And of course, uulitin ko lang, I just want to thank Muso for sending us this chair. And kayo naman, kung nagustuhan nyo ang ating first ever review video, click the like button down below and comment ano ang susunod kong dapat i-review. At syempre, wag mo na rin kakalimutan mag-subscribe and hit that notification bell down below para meron kang notification every time magpo-post ako ng panibagong video. So yes, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one.